YouTube, what's going on? Listen, before I get into this video, today at Durhamtown, man, Carson Brown pulled up. Yes, one of the GOATs, man, one of them ones. That's right too. Right behind us where we parked at, bro, going crazy on the track. I'm gonna just drop a little snippet right here. This ain't my content, you know what I'm saying? At Carson Brown. Yeah, go follow him, but check it out.
What's up, y'all? We back, baby. We back. We at Durhamtown. I'm with the gang.
YouTube, what's going on, man? Hey, welcome back. And if this is your first time tapping in, this is continuous from the last video. So go watch that and then come watch this one. Matter of fact, since you're here, just watch this one. But anyway, we on our way to the Moose Trails, y'all. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. So we opening up. We finna go hit these G's. We got my boy Stone Mountain Moto out this mother, boy. Y'all know the regular crew, my boy G, my boy Dan, John and them. We live.
Alright guys, as you see, we on my boy G Money POV right now. We headed to the Moose Trails. We've been trying to track these trails down the last 3 visits. We just haven't made it there. So today, we get it. Stay tuned in, man. It's getting exhilarating, I promise.
Which one is it?
Let's give him a second because we're going to sit right behind that side by side.
Oh, yeah.
And they're hard to pass.
Man.
Hey, it's just like right behind me.
Bruh. Shortcut to new single track. That's a new one. Go.
Yeah, man, so we jumped into this new trail that been closed, I guess, the past couple times we came, never noticed it. So we just spin through it real quick, nothing major.
He caught it, y'all.
We inside the blue.
Yeah, we're in here.
So this is where we at, y'all. So we are trying to take down. We in one of the zones that we trying to take down, y'all. So
It's, you know, like the monster.
That's what I said. It looked just like the can.
Like a can of Monster.
It looked like the
That
can.
motherfucker like a can of Michelob, bro.
What one is it you said?
Diamondback.
Diamondback.
Somebody got me earlier today. I figured I'd pass it on.
Yeah.
shout out to Stark Barg homies, man. Hey, if you on the start, drop a comment, man. How y'all like them in the trails, on the track? Let me know. My boy John, his son got one. KC came out with one. So our little Stark clique starting to get a little pecked out, man. Y'all drop in the comment below, man. You rocking with the Starks, or y'all rocking with the gang?
I'm so fucking stuck and I'm not strong enough to pick my bike up, so I need some help.
Glad we were stuck coming.
Yeah, my tire flat.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hold on, I got you, bro.
Right.
This bitch too heavy too.
I'll help you, you help me.
Yeah, we coming to this one first next time.
Real bike like shit. I got them. I'm bad at shoes kind of caught me. This shit got my nuts, guys. Well, I got real on here. Yeah, hit my front tire, caught one of those roots and fucking.
You good?
Yeah,
You went down?
that was a good one to test the titanium hip on.
Yeah, that was a real one.
yeah. I'm straight though.
I
got tired too. That's what it was.
It be like that.
I've been every now and then, you know, because you have to stay on it.
Yeah.
I just let my arm I wave it.
Yeah, get you right, bro.
I'm like, damn man, what if I fall, do some dumb shit?
Remember what you said to me when I came over the jump? Tuck it wrong. Might go piss on the tree like a puppy real quick. Yeah, this it's Rudy. Just watch that front wheel.
I think y'all be wanting us to take off first so you can pass somebody.
That thing too big. I know wherever they go. Wherever they through.
I thought I seen Moose Trail. Oh, Moose Trail. That wasn't the Moose Trail.
I was like, what the
Honestly, bro, we're here now. We might as well just grip it and rip it. You know, like.
Oh, let me just put my other battery in. I like taking it offline. That boy in that goddamn river. Okay. Head that way. Yeah, that line right there. Oh shit, you just passed it. Yeah, that's one right there, yup. Hit that one right there. Yeah, that shit right there deep as the whole bike. Yeah, that line right there, yup. That boy just disappeared in that bitch. That nigga G, that shit just sunk down to the frame.
I'm trying to take this shortcut, bro. I'm like done. It's hard to ride slow now.
I feel you. Shit, did it say shortcut? Let me look.
I got you.
Oh, that boy got that reverse.
Yeah.
That's hard. I keep forgetting, boy.
Okay.
Reverse on that guy. Yes, sir. So that boy KC took a little spin. Yeah, I like this shit right here.
Yeah, bro.
I
These
like
are fun
these
trails. I really like the verticality.
Right.
You know, you get to kind of drop into stuff.
Yeah.
Training right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, your whole visor snapped. Here, I got you.
I know. I like it. That shit stuck in there somewhere.
Honestly, this shit's broken off.
Yeah.
You okay if I just break this fucking?
Let me see.
Yeah. If you go back, I get back to that truck again.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna make it back out.
Alright guys, so we rolling through these trails, right? They just seem to get deeper and deeper, and I ain't gonna lie, they really are. To get to these boost trails, you gotta go dang near to the middle of the jungle, but it's gonna be well worth it, man. Check off the achievement list.
I got you. Yes, sir. Y'all see what it is, man. So we done got a little lost out here. Now we ain't lost, man. We in the middle of the wood trail, and we been riding. We been riding about now. We in this single
trail straight up, like about 15 to 20 minutes, bro, like in this exact one. So this trail ain't for the shy, it ain't for the weak. It's rutted, it's rooted out. Everywhere you go, it's trying to throw you on the floor. The moose tracks, these are the like most comparable to the sorts I can say. So. So right now, y'all, we in the middle of the woods. We done pulled out the cell phone, the GPS. We trying to figure out where we at. Where? We
got 21 minutes before the light drops.
Man, let's do it.
Yeah, guys, so as you heard, the park about to close. We trying to get out the park, but we lost KC. We don't know if bro turned around, if he went down. So, yeah, right here we in a lot of confusion. We don't want to leave him, but at the same time, it's getting dark and, you know. So, we going to try to head out these trails to the top and see if he met us if he left out. I don't know, but y'all stay tuned to see what we had to do and how we found out where KC was.
Hey.
Okay, we gotta go that way, right?
Nah, down. He said go through this trail, go straight out.
This is like a main trail. I just don't know what direction it goes.
I know. I don't know what the hell. Where the hell Marcus went? Back there talking about some, bro. We waiting for Casey. I said, bro, if Casey ain't came out the woods by now, I'm telling y'all, that nigga done found a way to cut somewhere. I'm telling y'all, I know Casey is, guy.
I cut in front of you when you didn't follow me.
I was in front.
No. I was in front of, I was you. And
I said, they just look with this nigga, I knew it. I said, he's somewhere chilling.
Shit, bro, I'm on flat.
Yeah, you
Somebody
open.
was behind me. It was
You
two
like me,
people
you
behind
like me the last time. Oh no, we gotta go to the right.
We gotta go through M
We
trail.
just did the hill climb right there, and we came straight out the hill
So we
climb.
gotta go through M trail.
Yeah, that's the way to go home that way. This is where my shit blew up at. Way to the line.
Yes, sir. Hey, we took down no moose tracks and a couple more. I don't got no crazy outro today. I just want to thank y'all for tapping in, man. You already know. 125 baby, man.